In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to format data. This is a simple way to organize and structure your data for better readability and use. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the data file, such as a CSV or spreadsheet, from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Format this data into a clean table." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will process the file and generate a formatted version of the data, making it easier to read and understand. If I want a specific format, I can include that in my prompt. For example, I might type, "Format this data into columns with headings for date, category, and amount." Claude can also help with aligning data, organizing fields, and improving structure. Once the formatted data is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in spreadsheets or reports. And that's it. I've successfully formatted data using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.